Of question whenever conducting examination, students generally go for the longer approach. They apply KVL to the first mesh, to the another mesh, and to the outer one mesh. Okay, but what if I tell you instead of this longer approach, you can go with a very short trick. See, what is that short trick? You can see whenever this unbalanced Wheatstone bridge is given, and you need to find the equidistant between the 2 points. Okay, you know the condition for the unbalanced Wheatstone bridges R1 by R2 should not be equal to R4 by R5. Okay, so for this type of question, you need to first construct a star resistance, in the first delta part of the Wheatstone bridge. Okay, you will construct this like this. Okay, and the value, and you can denote the resistance by Ra, Rb, and Rc. The value of Ra will be R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2 plus R3. Rb is R1 R3 upon R1 plus R2 plus R3, and Rc is R2 R3 upon R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, the product of the first, the front one and the downward resistance of the respective resistance is the value for Ra, Rb, and Rc. Okay, you can remember it like this, and then you will just remove this one R1 and R2 one resistance. Okay, if you remove these resistance, then your resistance will look like this. Okay, now these two are in parallel, so their equivalent, let us assume Rb dash, and Rb dash will be Rb R3 upon Rb plus R3. Okay, then your circuit will look like this. Then these two are in series, these two are in series, then both related will be in parallel. When you will solve it, then that parallel one is in the series with this part, and your R equivalent answer will be there. Okay, this is a simple concept which you need to remember. You can note this down. Okay, and by applying this concept, you can solve this question, and you will tell the answer in the comment section, and answer I will pin down in the comment section. Okay, for more such tricks, subscribe to my channel.